If you need to purchase a big truck for your small business, you pretty much have two options. U-Haul and the other guys. The U-Haul truck's ready for any graphic you could throw on it. The other guy's ready for your graphics too, if you sell bananas for a living. When you buy a U-Haul, loading it's a piece of cake. If you buy the other guy's truck, not so much. Don't forget, you'll be buying fuel for this truck to keep your business moving. When you own a truck for your business, you're going to be getting in and out of it a lot. Probably a million times. Would you rather have the U-Haul? Ta-da! Or the other guy? Most small businesses are on a budget. Which one makes more sense?
Yeah! That's not gonna get the job done.
Check us out on the web at www.uhaul.com/truck sales or give us a call at 1-866-404-0355.